you wherever I went. Our freedom is tied to a chain. We'll meet each other again and again. Today I still lie when I say that I want you out of my way. You break your own rules, you can't run away. Blinding glimpses of hidden relation between love and predestination. A sequence of mundane events orchestrated by disembodied friends set the stage for the major scene, where I found the one that I met in old dreams, recalling a bond that cannot be undone, divine union as old as the sun. To find in my heart that you are the one, own experience reveals information about love and predestination. A situation arises for a pair. Seems that future is up in the air. My decisions will matter, but still I will learn that there is no free will. A lifetime, a year, just for one day. Heavy rain on the 20th of May. If I'm bound to live or you are meant to stay, it was written before the creation. That was love and predestination.